everyone, it's Sunny from Franco Mobile Homes. Today I am in Rancho, Santa Teresa in San Jose. We're preparing this listing to go live. This home is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and 746 square feet. This home was built in 1991. The seller actually did a lot of repairs, so you can really see that the vinyl planks are new. They painted the entire house and they remodeled the kitchen too. Updated countertops with painted cabinets. This is an area that I really like because it's close to a lot of shopping plazas, a lot of restaurants. Here is the first bedroom. The seller is actually using it as an office. You can see that it's a pretty decent size. Here we have a washer dryer. Selling outside because this is a single wide. Here is the 1 bathroom. So the bathroom is actually very spacious. You get this tub and shower combo. Here is the primary bedroom. Very spacious. A lot of closet space as you can see, and then you can fit a bed and dressers as well, so you can really maximize your storage on here. We're thinking about going live by the end of this week, and the space rent for this home is only right under $1,300. If you guys stay tuned, I can let you guys know more information and when we can be hosting the open houses. So if you're in the area and you're free, you can stop by. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye!